what to do if your hair is too long, you can't take it anymore, you're going crazy, and you don't really have time to go to get a haircut, you don't want to get a haircut, you're just like, I don't want to cut my hair, I want to grow it, but it's a mess, I don't know what to do. Well, there's a few simple things that you can do. Now, if you are growing your hair out, right, let's just take this mannequin for example, and you say, I can't take it, my hair is just too crazy, what do I do, salon guy, help me? Well, it really comes down to how you're going to actually style your hair, okay? So, for something like this, if the hair is too wild and too, full, then maybe try taming it down a bit. And the best tool, believe it or not, is going to be your hands or your fingertips like this. And you're going to use it as a rake. So what you want to do is you want to kind of break up that hair, right? And use your fingers to add some separation to the hair like this so that it's still got some volume and texture. But now what you're doing is you're showing off the layers. So maybe it's time to bring it towards the face a bit more. And this is the biggest benefit of this whole thing is a lot of times, oh, my hair is in my eyes, I can't see. Well, guess what? You now have a side bang. Because what you can do is you can literally take your hair, again, using your fingers like this, and you can sweep the hair over this way. And you've created now a side bang or a side fringe. And the way you find that is you find where the hair naturally parts, brush this all back, and then push the hair forward and sweep over this way. And now you've got this awesome new hairstyle. Okay, you can use a little bit of product here, but now the hair all sweeps over this way, and you've created a whole new look for yourself. You could do the same thing on the other side. You can maybe try slicking your hair all back off your face, or maybe what you can do is you can do a center part like this, where now it's a bit more feathered, right? It's more feathered this way, and you just have the opening right in through here, right? This is the area that's open. So now you've got more of like a feather type of look, and you can just simply spray it back. So you want to rake over this way, and then some of the best styling techniques is just by pushing down like that. So now look, we have a center part, and now you can get some texture and some volume in through here, and you've got more of a, say, feather type of look. That's one example. Another example is, again, if say maybe your hair isn't that long, and you're looking to grow your hair out, well, try a classic slick back, all right? This was done by using my product Power Cream. It's got extreme hold and it's perfect for slicking the hair back, locking it in place, and having a nice matte finish. It does not flake up and it really goes through the hair very easily. At first, you have to apply it. Don't work it through your hands a lot, just leave it one maybe scoop like that. Work it through the hair while it's creamy, and then guess what? Now you have a whole new hairstyle that your hair slicked back. It looks a lot more polished. Maybe, go behind the ears this way, bring this down. And it's all about changing your hairstyle. So if your hair is just way too long, experiment on how you can change up the style within minutes. You just saw me do, 2 or 3 styles with that longer hair mannequin. This, you can brush it all back. You can hold it with, Power Cream, and you're good to go. So I know sometimes, and I've heard this, oh, my hair is super long. You could totally change your hairstyle at home within seconds. So let me know if you found this video helpful. I have a whole range of hair tools at shop.thesalonguy.com and hair products. If you use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20, you get 20% off and free shipping in the United States with order values of over $50. So thank you. Let me know if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you soon.